Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can find your YouTube Wrapped. So, YouTube Wrap is actually only available at the end of the year, right? And it's only available if your account is moderately active. So, if you're not active throughout the year, then you won't get your Wrapped. And if you try to check it at the middle of the year or at summer or at winter, it won't really appear. Although I think they do seasonal YouTube Wrapped now. Either way, the way you can find YouTube Wrapped is usually on this section of your account here. And it usually will appear down here, right? On here, on the playlist, it'll just say like there's a prompt here that will probably say like, check your YouTube Wrapped here. Although right now, as you can see, mine is not available, but you can find your YouTube Wrapped when it is available. You should be able to know by checking social media on here, down here on the use section of the app, and you should see it neatly put here.